Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's discussion session wherein we are going to discuss the CAT 23 paper, the slot 2 paper particularly, CAT 23 slot 2 paper, the QA section. So as you all know, we had 22 questions. If a certain amount of money is divided equally among n persons, each one receives 352. So that means what's the total amount? So each one receives 352. So each person's amount is 352 into number of men. Suppose it is n. So it is 352 n. If a certain amount, this amount is divided equally among n persons, n is given to us, right? Each one receives 352. However, if two persons receive 506 each, so two of the n people are receiving 506 each. So total amount I am calculating here also. So 2 people with 506 and the remaining amount. Now what will be the remaining amount? 352n was the total amount minus this 1012 is divided equally among other persons. How many people? N minus 2. Each of these, the average amount is this. This is less than or equal to 330. So now the question is maximum possible value of n is how much? Let's try to simplify this inequality by cross multiplying. N minus 2 is definitely going to be non-negative. So when you take it on the other side, 352n will be less than or equal to 330n minus 660. 352 minus 330 is 22n. 1012 goes on the other side will become what? 52. 712, 452. So that means n will be less than or equal to what? 440. 1 second. I think we got it wrong somewhere. I am sorry, a mistake here. 1 second. When 1012 goes on the other side, it will become what? 52. 352. Sorry, not 452. 352. So it will be what? 352 by 22. So when you solve this, 11 will go 2 times, 11 will go 32 times, 2 will go 16 times. N is less than or equal to 16 we get, and is asking us maximum possible value of n. Can we say the answer should be 16? That is going to be the correct answer.